How to add a note list widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First, return to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then, on the empty space, touch and hold. Then tap on Widgets at the bottom. After that, we then scroll down and then tap on Notes. And here, scroll down. Then select a widget size. So we have a small one, medium size, and a larger size. So touch and hold and drag the widget and drop it onto your home screen. And here tap on the note widget. So tap on it to set it up. Here select the note that you want to include in the list and then tap on done. Here you can also resize the widget to make it larger. And that's it. So all the selected notes will be added to your list here, allowing you to quickly access them directly from the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.